2 years ago, I started teaching freelancing for free. And I had to pay an additional $50 para do sa Zoom namin every month. Just because may magsasign up na 600 na katao, pagkatapos hindi naman pala tutuloy. Ang tutuloy lang at nakakatapos would be around 10%. So imagine, nagsayang ako ng pera, nagsayang ako ng oras para kanino? Sa mga taong hindi pala ready mag-commit. That's exactly why yung aming lahat ng level 1, yung the way that we give back to the community na libre, meron na ngayong parang commitment fee. Gusto niyo yun? Refundable siya. This is what we call the Revamped Basic Work From Home Training Program. Yun yung level 1. So, lahat na nagtatanong, bakit po may level kayo? So, level 1 is lahat ng basics. If hindi ka pa sure na gusto mo maging freelancer or gusto mo na mag-transition to working from home, but you really are interested in learning iba't ibang skill sets, sa level 1 pumapasok yun. And yes, you would be able to meet almost 90%, depende kung sa availability, almost 90% of all of our mentors to provide level 1 classes. So, yung e-com, SEO, web design kung available, PPC kung available, SMM kung available, video editing, technical writing, copywriting, Amazon, financial, legal, real estate, and all of it, kapag halimbawa, out of 10 sessions na inattendan mo sa Revamp, na perfect mo yung attendance, na-submit mo yung homework, which is hindi karamihan ha, na-submit mo yung homework on time, tapos na-complete mo na yung application book, mock interview, one-on-one with me, marirefund pa yung 399 pesos mo. Now, a lot of people are curious, bakit nag-o-offer kami ng ganito na technically is free? Paano kung 100% ng class makatapos, so yung 399 pesos nila binalik? I started teaching people for free because I am saving money and I will be making money eventually kapag itong mga taong to na-hone namin yung skills nila at naipasok namin doon sa VA agency namin. So, yung mga nagtatanong if may VA agency ba ako, yes, meron po. Pero we cater to very specific clients and hindi ko siya pinapublish dito for hiring or whatnot because we no longer hire externally. Lahat ng hinahire namin doon sa VA agency ay galing na sa mga mentees namin. You see, I'm not earning from the training itself. I'm earning kapag yung tao na bigyan ko na ng trabaho, if that even makes sense. Anyway, I hope nasagot yung kailan ng SEO level 1. Again, all of the level 1 ng aming classes ay kasama sa Revamped Basic Work From Home training namin. We have a class that's starting next week. Again, 399 pesos lang siya. Punta lang kayo sa profile ko, i-click nyo yung link sa bio ko. Pagkatapos bubuksan niya itong page na to, punta lang kayo doon sa open classes. Tapos doon sa pinakang baba, makikita nyo doon yung pinakang baba, 399 Revamp Basic Work From Home Training Program. So, lahat kasama dyan. Yung nakikita nyo sa taas. Meron pa ba akong hindi na-mention? So, anyway, again, 399 pesos and refundable siya kapag nakumpleto nyo yung training process. Closing na siya, what's the date today? Wednesday. Closing na siya this coming Friday. So, kung naghahanap kayo ng mapapag-enrollan pero hindi pa kayo ganun ka-sure, like 70% hindi pa kayo sure kung para sa inyong freelancing, but you want to give it a try, check out the Revamped Basic Work From Home Training Program class. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more Work From Home Chismis. Bye!